Viasat Internet Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Viasat plans and pricing are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now let's get straight into the review. Viasat is a satellite internet provider designed for rural and remote areas where traditional broadband isn't available. It offers speeds of up to 100 Mbps, which is higher than most satellite competitors, making it a solid option for users who need more bandwidth. Unlike some providers, Viasat doesn't have hard data caps. Once you exceed your high-speed data limit, your speeds may be reduced during peak hours, but won't be cut off entirely. The service includes built-in Wi-Fi, optional VoIP phone service, and professional installation. With newer Viasat 3 satellites launching, coverage and performance are expected to improve even further. Viasat is best suited for rural households, small businesses, and remote workers who need a reliable internet connection for tasks like browsing, emailing, and moderate streaming. It's also one of the few options for rural users who need higher speed plans. The unlimited data option provides more flexibility than HughesNet, making Viasat a better choice for users who stream more frequently. Now, let's discuss strengths. Viasat offers some of the fastest speeds available in satellite internet, with plans reaching up to 100 Mbps. It also has more generous data policies compared to HughesNet, meaning less disruption when you go over your limit. The availability of unlimited plans is a huge advantage for those who rely on satellite internet for daily use. Additionally, its expanding satellite infrastructure aims to improve performance and reduce latency. However, there are some weaknesses. The biggest downside is the high price. Viasat's plans are often more expensive than traditional cable or fiber options. There's also a significant price hike after the promotional period, so customers should be aware of long-term costs. Latency is still a factor, making real-time gaming and high-definition video calls difficult. Additionally, like all satellite internet, service can be affected by bad weather, leading to occasional disruptions. Overall, Viasat is a strong choice for rural users who need higher speeds and more data than HughesNet can offer. If you're in an area with no fiber or cable options, it might be your best bet. Check the links in the description for the latest deals, and if this review was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert insights.